Happy Friday to my 6th grade friends and your families. Here's our Zoom check-in for the week. The Zoom video was super long, so doing a quick 411 from here. First off, lots of people doing pretty well. Glad to hear that, and make sure you get out and enjoy that nice weather. It's supposed to warm up. Number 2, your daily check-ins have been awesome. Please keep it up. And note that a lot of the check-ins coming up are going to be asking you for number answers. That is to use with our math down the road. So please give me a number on those days. Next item is our building and our classroom cleanup. Ms. Clyburn's bosses have asked to pass on the word since we are moving back to the new building. We are in charge of packing up the entire building by the end of May. With this in mind, the days I've been assigned are next Monday and Tuesday, and I'm also in charge of clearing out lockers. If there is anything you absolutely want, or you want your lock back for middle school, please let me know as soon as possible. Your locker number, your combo if you have one, and if there's any needed materials. To go along the same thing, I know in the classroom there are some boots and sneakers still sitting there, so please check the stream next week, Monday, Tuesday, to see if any of the items are yours and you want them. On top of that, that means Monday's Zoom is going to be very short, as I'll be at the school, or I will have another teacher running Zoom to go over your work for the week. Any instruments that have been left in the room, I will be giving to Ms. Centennial, so you do not need to worry about those. Here are some sharing findings from the week. Journals have been looking amazing. This is the last week you'll be doing a journal in that form, as Ms. Decker is taking over reading and social studies starting next week. And I will be doing math and science. Reading, again, this was your last week with My Side of the Mountain. Shout out to Elijah and Javi for getting your projects in early. Can't wait to see your other ones. Remember, if you do like a physical project, like making something out of a box or dressing like the character, just take a video or a picture and share it with me. For science, many of you have been doing a great job. Just giving you a heads up, we're going to continue working on ocean stuff next week also, with the ultimate goal of making a video or a letter that's persuasive of your issue with the water pollution or whatnot. So make sure you're taking good notes so that you can make a good persuasive piece. Math, total props up, raise the roof, kiss your brain, pet back, whatever makes you happy, because there has been a huge improvement in the amount of time and the number of scholars on. You can check this list to see who has been on. We figured about 20 minutes a day this week times 5 days would be 100 minutes. So if you're at about 100 or more, you're rocking it. Michael, 435 is crazy, crazy awesome. Jalen, 262. Just so many, 298 from Austin. You can read it in the presentation. Prodigy, I know there will not be as many people on because you're finishing up Con, but there is a very large amount of people there too. Elijah, Jalen, and Inaya coming in first, second, and third so far this week. You still have today and tomorrow for the final results. This morning, a couple of things happened in our Zoom, one of them being Miss Scott, our school counselor, stopped in. She gave a huge recognize to our 6th grade. Out of all the 6th grade classes she has sent out her survey to, we by far have done the most. So thumbs up for that. Please make sure you do the survey. It was listed, I believe, on Wednesday, but I will bump it to the top and I'll put the link in this document so when you get it, you can use it. Also, Ms. Zinni took a stop by. She read aloud a book called Maybe, which was really encouraging. I believe she has a recording of it, which I'll link in here if I can find it. Other than that, I miss you all. I really wish we were in school. We do have some surprises up our sleeve for 6th graders, so be aware that you may have visitors dropping by stuff on your porch at some point. Other than that, love you, miss you, happy Friday, and hopefully I'll hear from all of you soon. Bye.